Good job. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. Okay, so that's the one we're playing. That's the one we're going to play on the day. So let's see. Okay, let's go back to the where you were. Were you here before? Okay, let's do the lessons. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Okay. So thank you for the piano you played, the piece that you played now. Amazing. I know you're all of those. Okay, so are you able to remember what we did the last class, the last lesson?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell me about the last lesson? And I want you to candidly tell me how you felt about the length of the lesson, about all that happened on that day. Were you comfortable doing the cookies and making the cookies, and how did it go with the icing?
I mean, that point, like, it was a little bit hard because there was so much happening at once. But like, it was fine. I was able to do that pretty well. And then a few days later, we did the icing for that.
Did you do the icing?
Yeah.
That's the burner that's closer to the back of the stove. So I need you to point and show me now which, as you touch the knob, you tell me which burner is going to control. So touch
this one here.
Which one? What is it going to be controlling?
This burner here.
Good. Then
the other one over here is going to be controlling this burner.
Yes.
This right one, that one.
It's going to control the inside. Yes, good.
Yeah, and then there's a pot on this other one.
Oh, there is? But, okay, so yeah. The knob on the outer right is going to be controlling the one with the pot on it, right?
Yeah.
Good job, good job. So that's how it works. But if you had a knob in the middle, instead of the panel that you feel, it's going to be controlling the oven. So the middle that you have it there.
For legal reasons, we kind of need stuff with the stove.
Oh yeah, right here.
Okay. So she wants you to be here when I actually do it because I'm not trying to get burned. Okay.
So you do have your fry pan. Maybe we can put just a few drops of oil on the frying pan, so just to grease it, a few drops of oil.
Where's the oil?
I think you should put your egg in one on the right so you don't topple it over.
What? Sorry.
I always keep it over here.
Put the whisk in the sink so it doesn't.
Yep.
I don't know if I can help you with this because this is brand new. It's glass and it's heavy.
Yeah, just a few drops.
You ask her if I can help you with it.
Is it okay if I get help with this oil because it's a new oil?
Yes, you need help.
And it's glass, yeah.
Is the heat on?
Yes.
Okay.